with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them.
Hi guys, I'm Alexia and today I'm going to be creating this brown smoky eye with glitter for a Valentine's Day today. Well, this video is actually not going to be posted on Valentine's Day, but it is Valentine's Day today and I am going to be going out with my boyfriend, and I just wanted to show you guys my look for Valentine's Day. And this is what I came up with. I love this look so much. I barely ever do like brown looks or brown like smoky eyes or anything like that. So really happy with how this turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial as well. So if you guys want to see how I created this look right here, please keep on watching. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be using the Royal Beauty palette. Super cute. I love this palette so much. Thank you so much, Royal Beauty, for sending me this palette. So cute. So today I'm going to be doing a brown smoky eye. It's going to be kind of more simple today because I'm going to be going out. It's Valentine's Day today, so I'm going to be getting ready and going to the movies and going out to eat with my boyfriend. So let's get started. So as you can see, I already set my lid with a Tarte Shape Tape, and this was in the shade Fair Beige. Yeah, and I didn't set the lid. I just have been patting on my lid to make sure that it doesn't crease too much, and then we're going to just be putting the eyeshadow right on top of that. I haven't been setting my lid. It just has been making the colors look so much more vibrant and pretty on the eyes. The blend is just like way better looking, so I've been doing it this way instead of setting my lid like with powder. So yeah, so first I'm going in with the MAC 217 brush, and I'm going in this color right here. Ooh, this color right here. By the way, this is my first time using this palette. I've just swatched it. I haven't actually used it on my eyes, so we will see how this goes. I'm super excited to see. Alright, we're just going in windshield wiper motions on the eyelid, and then we're taking this eyeshadow and winging it out. I can already tell these eyeshadows are super easy to blend out. I really like this eyeshadow. This eyeshadow color is like the perfect shade for a transition color. Going in with that Morphe M506 brush, and this is just a smaller blending brush, and I'm going in with this brown color up here in the corner.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos, you can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. Up their eye like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now.
Taking the MAC 217 brush and going back in with the other shade that we used before, and blending those together further. Alright, going back in with the other brush again and adding more brown to the crease. And winging it out again a little bit. Blending this a little bit upward. Very lightly. Alright, now taking that brown shade and putting it all over my lid. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys have it, so they mad to know, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Alright, now I'm going to be putting glue on my lid and putting a Glitter Injections eyeshadow on my eye. Came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground. And Okay, I put my lashes on. These are Arianna lashes by Lash Kitty, and now I'm going in with my Benefit Porefessional and putting this all over my face. Alright, going in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge and my MAC Prolongwear Foundation in N18. Alright, now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Beige. I'm putting this under my eyes, chin, nose, and forehead. Alright, now I'm going in with RCMA translucent powder and putting this all over my face. Alright, now I'm going in with my Butter Bronzer and my Alexia 660 brush and bronzing up my face. Alright, now going back in with this palette and using this shade again for my under eyes. Alright, now going in with the Morphe M506 brush and going back in with the brown shade again and going on my under eye. Alright, now I'm going in with Catrice Cosmetics mascara. Alright, going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and using this shade right here to contour my cheeks up a little bit more. Alright, now going in with the Real Her Blush Trio and going in with these two shades right here, mixing them together. Alright, now I'm spraying my face with Mario Badescu spray. Letting that dry down a little bit. Then I'm going to be going in with my Ofra Rodeo Drive highlight. With the, I think it's the E31 brush, but I'm not sure because the freaking number rubbed off of it already. Alright, first we're going to be putting this in the corner of my eyes. My Cupid's bow.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl.
Alright, and last but not least, I'm putting this NYX eyeliner pencil in Golden Olive in my waterline. And now going in with my Maybelline Truffle Tease lipstick. Alright guys, and this is the completed look. watching this tutorial. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys. I love this look so much. I'm so proud with how it came out today. And if you guys like this tutorial, then please give this video a thumbs up and please leave me any comments below letting me know how I'm doing, and turn on that little bell in the corner, you know, the post notifications bell, so you can get notified every single time that I post. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.